Hi there, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own art track videos on Kinemaster for Android. And if this is your first time on my channel and you're a music maker or a music user, consider hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. So you want to make your own music video, but the thing is you don't have all the tech, you don't have all the gear, you don't have nothing, you don't have money. Well, you can create your own art track videos on your mobile device or any other device, to be honest with you. But I'm going to show you how to do it on Android with Kinemaster. So let's jump right on over. If you have a Mac, you can also check out Stephen Johnson's video as well. He shows you how to do it on there. I'll put a link in the description below. Go and check it out. It's a good video. We'll start off with an empty project. And in this we will load up the background. This is basically the artwork in, the widescreen format and blurred. You use a photo editing app to blur it and to kind of darken it a little bit. You just turn down the exposure. And then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to check that the cropping, which is between the scissors and the rotation thing. What you want to do is you want to press equals so that it stays the same throughout the entire video. So the next thing you want to do is you want to load in your actual track, which we have right here. As you can see, the background artwork is not long enough, so we have to make it last as long as the actual track itself. So you just drag it along with your fingers. You drag it right along to the end of your tune. So there we have it going right along to the end of the tune, and we go right back to the beginning of the actual track. Next we want to do is we want to load in the actual artwork for the track. What we want to do is we want to go into layer over here and then load in media. And then we scroll down and we pick the picture, and there you have it. There it is, and we'll slide it along and make it a little bit smaller. I think that's fine. Next, what we want to do is we want to make this as long as the track as well. Yes, this can be a little bit monotonous, but it has to be done. Next thing you want to do is you want to add some text, and that's 180 Barry Euphoric. And label. And that goes to there, but you want to change that a little bit. You want to put that to like that. The text alignment. And I would have it, it depends on which way you want to have it. You want to have the text there, or you want to have the text there. I think it all depends on how you want it. I'll just, stretch it out a little bit, and yeah. If you want to change the font, it's up here next to the scissors. Change that to there. And yeah, and then you want to stretch this bit as well right along to the end of the track. Also, you can actually animate it as well, and this is something that I like to do. You select the bit that you want to actually animate, and as you can see it says in animation over here on the right, and you can fade it in, pop, which is one of the ones that I sometimes use. And you can also do it to the text as well. So select the text, in animation, and you can slide left. You won't hear the music on this because for some odd reason Android doesn't want me to record the audio while actually doing this, so sorry for that, but here you go. There's how it animates, and obviously the music would be playing in the background, but it isn't. So that's how to make an art track video in Kinemaster. So if you are a music maker or a music user, smash my head, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss another video of mine. And if you're not really interested in subscribing, why not check out some of these other videos that I've got? You never know, you might be interested in them. Until then, see you next time.